In this lecture I'm going to show you how to configure a password on the console port. And you notice in this topology I've got a laptop and it's connected to switch 2 by a rollover cable. So the laptop is directly connected, it's a physical connection, and I've got two labels. I've got out-of-band management and in-band. And in-band management is typically how you manage network devices most of the time. So if you start a telnet connection from the host to switch 2, you're going across the production network, and all of your traffic is part of that production network traffic. When you have out-of-band management, it's typically done when you're accessing the device locally, or sometimes when you have a backup link to a device, so you can actually access the network via that network connection when the production network is not available. And so in this example, I've got a laptop connected to switch 2, and I want to assign a password for security purposes. So what I'm going to do is select switch 2, put a CLI, and I'm going to configure terminal. So the first thing I want to do is type line con 0, and that is the console port. And my first command is password CCNA labs, and then login. That's local login. That's really all there is to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy run to start. Now I'm going to exit. Okay, next thing I want to do is I'm going to go to laptop, and I'm going to go to desktop and then terminal settings. The first thing I want to do is make sure that the serial interface that I'm using has the correct Cisco settings that's required for the console port. In this case, it's 9600 bits per second, 8 data bits, no parity, 1 stop bit, and no flow control. And that is all correct, and they're standard settings. Click on OK. So now I'm actually accessing the switch 2 from the laptop. It's asking me for a password, so I'll go CCNA labs, and there I am, and now on switch 2. I'll type enable. Don't have any enable password currently configured. And I'll go show run. And go right to the login, and there it is So line con 0, password CCNA labs, and login. So I've now assigned a password to the login to the console port, and so it is actually will require that password for any physical access to that device. And that concludes console port.